In this video, we will show you how to configure SX Virtual Link in Dental CNC. This video applies to the R5, K5 Plus and N4 Plus. Make sure that the machine and the CAM computer are connected with an Ethernet cable and that both devices are switched on. We presuppose that you have already installed the installation package with Dental CAM, Dental CNC and SX Virtual Link on the CAM computer. Start SX Virtual Link. Your machine is listed in the application window. Below, the internal devices of the machine are listed, for which we have to adjust some settings. To do this, right-click on SMI USB camera. Select Properties. Switch to the Disconnect tab. Activate this checkbox. From this drop-down list, select 10. Save your changes. Right-click on SMI USB camera. Select Connect. Now repeat these steps for the device whose name starts with FTDI. The green check marks indicate that the connections have been established. In the next step we have to adjust an application option. To do this, select this icon. Activate the following option. Hide the main window if the close button is clicked. Make sure you use the same application options as displayed. Save your settings by selecting OK. Now start Dental CNC. Open the Dental CNC application settings by selecting this icon. Now select this icon next to the port number input field. The machine references. In the SX Virtual Link application window, you can find the Ethernet address of the machine. It displays behind the machine name. In Dental CNC, enter this Ethernet address into the machine Ethernet address input field. Press Enter. From now on, Dental CNC will connect and disconnect the machine automatically. Activate this option, so that Dental CNC will launch with Windows. This is required to automate the connection process. Now we can check the connection settings for functioning. To do this, we need to close Dental CNC. The machine is now automatically disconnected. When launching Dental CNC again, the connection is automatically established. For a comprehensive knowledge base about VHF dental machines and dental CAM, visit dentalportal.info. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.